What's up guys, Bo here, Diesel Power Products, and today we've got a big day ahead of us. But first, I want to reintroduce to you guys, Tyler Lucas is back with us.
What's up guys?
Today we have Josh's 04 5.9 Cummins with us, and today we are going to be doing the 5-inch Turbo Back MBRP exhaust.
Well, we've got the Big 7 kits, battery cable replacement kit. Now, this kit is epic. It comes, everything is wrapped very nicely. Everything is heat shrunk, and it even tells you where it goes. We've got nice connectors for the battery. Should be a pretty straightforward install. So if you're running into any sort of electrical bugaboos, a lot of times it's gonna be something to do with your connection to your battery. So this will address that. We'll get this kit installed and be on the road.
Let's get to it. So right now, Tyler is under the truck right now. We're doing the block ground. I'm just holding it so that it doesn't fall through. And
oh, actually, hold on one second. Yeah, go ahead. Turn it under that charge tube. Boom.
Just like that.
And then.
All right, so now that we've got this out, we are going to leave everything out on the table so that we can see how to rebuild the new battery cables that will be going into the truck.
Just an easy way to do it instead of yarding everything off all at once and then trying to figure out where everything goes. If you've never done it before, that would be the way that I would do it.
Taylor hooked you guys up with the nice gloves.
Yeah, not bad.
It may not ground you, but it makes you feel safer, especially with me hating batteries so much. So Tyler just got this thing routed back up. We are going to be throwing it back in the truck. So we're gonna throw this thing back behind the battery, behind the charge tube, and back towards the block, and Tyler's down there. He's gonna grab it and hook it back up, and then we'll get this terminal back up.
Wow, 2019 using freaking batteries. Jesus Christ. Lord, it has fused itself.
Here we go. Coming off. That thing was on there. It is time for Josh's truck to get a refresh on these. So we'll get these cleaned off, and then move on.
Not the correct tool.
Working with what we got, making it happen.
Didn't work half bad. Nasty, nasty, nasty.
That is nasty right there.
Clean your batteries, folks.
All right, now we've got the truck up in the air and we're getting started on the exhaust. We've got to do a little cutting because some of the pipes were welded together. So we're gonna get those cut up and get that new MBRP exhaust in there. Let's go.
So when I bought this truck, it had the weirdest hodgepodge of exhaust. So the first thing is right here. So we have our stock 3-inch exhaust that this rusted through. And then right in here, the guy had put on a 2.5-inch diameter gasser, like a Walker muffler that made no sense. And then it had a 4-inch like muffler back exhaust. So piece by piece, I've kind of fixed things with a stainless clamp over here. This is being an early 04, never had a cat. So we're able to do a full turbo back on here. Replaced it with this Aero Turbine 4040 XL that was welded in place. And then the most recent issue on a truck with, again, 200,000 plus miles is this hanger completely rusted through and the exhaust just fell. So we patched it. So is it time for a new exhaust? I'd say so, yes.
All right, with this kit, we decided to go with the 5-inch because why not? Bigger's better. Also, we decided to go with aluminized up here because that is usually a preferred choice when you're getting all that salt and grime on the roads during the winter, which helps slow down corrosion. What is nice also is that it comes with the 4-inch off the turbo because everything up there with the spacing is going to fit the 4-inch, and then from there it's going to move into the 5-inch. And as Josh said, exhaust starts looking like this. It's time for a new one, so let's get to it.
There's no nuts on that. Oh, is there supposed to be, or is it? I don't think that's threaded, but.
Is that part not welded?
It might be welded underneath it, but I think the whole thing is moving. That whole thing is kind of loose.
Oh yeah. Almost. There it is.
I think that's the best teamwork shot I've ever gotten.
All right, we got Josh's truck back on the ground. We're gonna show you some before and after shots. Personally, I think the 5-inch MBRP exhaust sounds so much better. What do you think, Tyler?
Love the sound of a 5-inch exhaust on a 5.9 Cummins. And speaking of that, if you are looking for a 5-inch exhaust kit for your 5.9 Cummins or a big 7 kits battery cable setup, check us out, dieselpowerproducts.com.
See you next time.